Hey guys, Tashi Delek everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today recipe I'm going to show you how to make dry kidney beans recipe, which is very easy and also it's very delicious. You can eat this on breakfast, lunch or dinner to this recipe. And here's the kidney beans, which is I already soaked in overnight and I already washed. Now it's time to boil this. Now put in pressure cooker. Add little bit salt, turmeric powder and add the water. Now cover and we're going to cook this until it becomes soft beans. On side we're going to make tomato puree. Here I take 2 tomato, some garlic and ginger and 2 of chili, green chili, some water, and we're going to all blend this together. Once the puree is ready, so here's the seasoning. So how much I add the seasoning here, I already mentioned here. Now it's ready for fry. So here I add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once I heat the oil, now this time we're going to add cumin seed and ajwain. Fry for a few minutes for these two. Now add the onion. So here I add 2 onions. So I chop very fine small pieces. And fry this until not become brown color. Once the onion become brown color, now this time we're going to add the all seasoning. Fry for a few minutes. After that we're going to add our tomato puree. Fry this all ingredient for 1 minute. Once a little become dry, then you can add little bit water. Again you have to cook very nicely. The all paste will be not become smooth and nicely fry. Now finally I'm gonna add our kidney beans. Add the kidney beans and nicely you have to mix this all ingredient. Once the mix done, now cover. Again we have to cook for 2 minutes for this in low flame. Now after 2 minutes we're going to add little bit coriander leaves. After add the coriander leaves, you have to mix nicely. Then it's ready to enjoy. Now you can go with this chapati, puri or steam bun. Even you can eat rice also, but if you want to eat with rice, so I will suggest you to make little more gravy. I already make the gravy beans curry, that you can check out that link I will leave in description box. And here today I serve with puri. The puri recipe will coming on next recipe. Okay guys, so that's it for today's recipe, and if you see today's recipe is helpful to you, then please share with your friends and family, and all time enjoy my recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next recipe. Bye bye.